Daffodils, scientifically known as narcissus, are perennial flowering plants that belong to the Amaryllidaceae family. They are renowned for their bright, trumpet-shaped flowers, typically in shades of yellow or white, and they are among the most iconic symbols of spring. Native primarily to Europe and North Africa, daffodils have spread worldwide and are cherished in gardens, parks, and landscapes for their cheerful and striking appearance. Their scientific genus name, Narcissus, comes from Greek mythology, referring to the story of Narcissus, a youth who fell in love with his own reflection, symbolizing beauty and vanity. Physical characteristics. Daffodils grow from bulbs, which are underground storage organs that help them survive cold winters and sprout in the spring. The bulbs are usually small, round, and fleshy, storing nutrients that allow rapid growth. From the bulb emerges long, narrow, strap-like leaves, which are typically bluish-green and can grow between 6 inches to 20 inches long, depending on the species. The flower stems are hollow and upright, often carrying a single flower at the tip, though some varieties bear clusters. The trumpet-shaped central corona, surrounded by petal-like tepals, is the hallmark of the daffodil. The flowers can range from pale yellow to deep gold, and some varieties include white or even orange highlights. Blooming and growing conditions. Daffodils thrive in temperate climates and are highly adaptable. They require well-drained soil and a sunny to partially shaded location. They are resilient plants and can tolerate a range of soil types, though they perform best in fertile, slightly acidic to neutral soil. These flowers are hardy perennials, which means they bloom year after year without needing to be replanted. Planting typically occurs in the autumn, allowing the bulbs to establish roots before winter. They then lie dormant through the cold months and emerge in early spring, often among the first flowers to appear after the winter frost, making them heralds of the new season. Varieties and hybridization. There are over 50 species of daffodils and more than 25,000 registered cultivars worldwide. This diversity allows gardeners to enjoy a wide array of forms, sizes, and colors. Classic daffodils feature a long trumpet and uniform yellow petals, while others, such as the double daffodils, have multiple layers of petals, creating a fuller, almost peony-like appearance. Some cultivars showcase contrasting colors, such as yellow petals with an orange corona, or white petals with a pink or yellow trumpet. Hybridization efforts continue to develop new varieties with enhanced bloom size, color patterns, and fragrance. Ecological and symbolic importance. Daffodils hold ecological significance as well. They are deer and rodent resistant, as their bulbs contain toxic alkaloids, which discourage animals from feeding on them. They also attract early pollinators such as bees, which are essential for maintaining healthy garden ecosystems. Symbolically, daffodils are associated with rebirth, new beginnings, and hope, largely because of their early spring bloom. In some cultures, they are also linked with prosperity and good fortune. The daffodil is the national flower of Wales and is widely celebrated during St. David's Day in March. Care and maintenance. Daffodils are relatively low-maintenance plants. Once planted, they require minimal care. Regular watering during growth and flowering is sufficient, and the bulbs should be left undisturbed for several years to multiply naturally. After blooming, the leaves should be allowed to yellow and wither naturally, as this process helps store energy in the bulbs for the next season. Deadheading the flowers can improve the plant's appearance but is not necessary for survival. Interesting facts. Daffodils are often used in bouquets and floral arrangements due to their bright colors and long-lasting blooms. The plant has medicinal uses in some cultures, though it is toxic if ingested in large quantities. Daffodils symbolize the cancer charity in many countries, particularly through the Daffodil Day campaigns. They are considered naturalizers, meaning they can spread and multiply over time in gardens without much human intervention. In summary, daffodils are more than just beautiful flowers. They are symbols of renewal, resilient plants adaptable to various climates, and a vital part of both garden ecology and cultural traditions. Their vibrant blooms, ease of cultivation, and historical significance make them a cherished plant worldwide.